webare mnonga omurebi witu wa Tayari West Television kandi kubasa kuba notambura nitwe omakuraga of course turi aha district ya Kanungu kandi omaka gomugenzi Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga kandi aganigashangwa district ya Kanungu omucyange kiri kumanywa nkajeyo aha mpaha abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abanywani bo mugenzi kandi otireho na nababire nakorana be milimetari yemwe nemwe nangwa nabundi nabataka bari kwatwaho batandikire kwiko mwanya ogu kugira ngo babase kureba ko bakutebekanisa okwakira umubiri gwo mugenzi ogu obasize kuba naruga omagaragensi izo bari yanyamwe bazo ahindi kugambira ebi inyene nomwe abantu abari mu batebekanisa encourage nangwa no kureba ngo mugenzi yatunga eyo mujungu ari kweta decent send off habwo kuba agikorerire kandi yagikorera kurunja kiryo mu magaragensi sebo nyenda oyakureho umurebi wa Tayari West kandi otugambire entebekanisa zemerire sta
ni banyeta Reverend Canon Kenneth Kanyankole ndio mushuganisa webye ntungu ko murezo bwa Kinkizi kandi Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga ari chairman wa board yakachiko kegitunguka umurizo bwa Kinkizi konka no mugyecho my friend kandi no mwo mu bantendekire okukunda ebyentunguka
so tugambireho amakuru go kuruga omunsi kwa Dr. James Garuga gabatwarize gata imwe nk'abanyakanungu
yemwe abazo tugesire Black Wednesday aho amakuru kubwizire ashanka itano Kanungu yaba silent buri muntu wena yategwa enkuba tabo kuraba namu habamo kwebuze ibibuzo bingi ebyo garuka biri bice abo mwana muto gaba amashomero gaba amaramizo ebe district business community bona habirimo okurabana mu kwango kuyanyomwe bazo up to now abantu bakishanyari kuyaho twegwe mbabazamukama otwikiriza aho kwa Yesu Kristo kuyizire kandi kunije kubakira njyaba twarokwe eyindi konka ahandi ariho kushanyarara ariho kurabanamo tari mu businge in the whole of not only Kanungu but Kigezi region na Western Uganda nensi yona because was na social media ukarebe ibyo abantu bari kugamba I have my people abari India babene banterera abandi bari USA bari bentera ngo tell us what is happening there nabo bonka barabinemu abo kwa has been an international man.
Direction Dr. James Garuga abirari muntu ki
Dr. James Garuga naenda kugamba nyowe nko muntu one abirari omuntu wa Ruhanga ari kukunda abantu ba Ruhanga ari kunda buri muntu wena kubaho abatire cyo bari kwetitima abire nahwera buri muntu wena whether muto whether mukuru okuwa mwizira akabe abenatekwa kuhwera abo kuba abayino mutima go kwera abantu ba Ruhanga bona abatari kwena areba umuntu ajyo mishoge ari kuburabura mwena benata amagezi gono korongo ya wa movinga kuruga aharevemwe yebye ntunguka oze aharevo endisha kandi abenakorengana everyone be it abakazi be it abashija eminyeto the government officials fraternity every fraternity abena nagizamo abo kuba abirari omuntu wo mutima muhango I can say ngo abirayine extraordinary mutima omutima muhango munonga go ku accommodatinga hiburi muntu konka omuku accommodatinga buri muntu no kwena ngo aze omuntunguka entunguka eri kumubisa so he has been a very instrumental in every aspect.
So tugambire ho ko kugamba every aspect ebintu katano byamani ebyo kumanyangu Dr. Garuga Kanungu teka nangwa na Kigezi na Uganda yona tekubasa kumuyeberwaho
ekyo kubanza omuntu waramuhikiro wena akamwiha amagezi he has been building the capacities of people aho yabe nashitama hona akanatikwa kureta ubwenge omuhurikiza orangu obwenge bwazamo mbwenu abanyakigezi bona n'abanyayuganda nabo aburwa abayibambuga nahona akana building the capacities of people kandi okubuildinga abantu echo nikigumaho nobo yakwatakira echo we shall never forget. Number 2, the education. Ashomise abantu bingi abato abakuru. He has sponsored many people in this world. Not only in this country but in this world. Abena abashomesa abahera fees babe religious leaders bama amadini gona gutwine babe teachers babe abana bari kusoma university to the extent abena ashomesa no mu technical institutions ashomesa no mu secondary schools ahera abana left and right abari kumanya n'abatari kumanya. So abaine that kind of heart ya education. Then kubingo bworo that was the talk of the day. Tino watara kwasireho wabe mukahihi atara kwasireho kurangu yaruga one level another level in terms of income generation. Abena nangu amakagitu gatunguke kibyebwa bingizuka kijo mwe ya togesa noko muntu ari kubasa kubari kibaro cye kurungi okurangu yakozesa kataka kace kayine kandi karugamo esente mwene kikatu na agriculture. He has been a role model. Amajani in Western Uganda and this country in Chimusimiro tukatune factory emwe ya Kayonza konkatune as many factories as possible in Western region aho kurira ngweji ni factory yo ya majani ago majani gaweni gareta a lot of money in Kanungu district and Kigezi region. Ago majani abantu babende bagihamu esente nyingi munonga zibahwero mu kushomesa abana babo, which has been a project for sustainability. It has been a sustainability strategy kugira ngo abantu ba empowering bekorera esente zabo.
Okay.
Ebyo buhinji so ni bingi ebya health mbwenu kajanti he has been handling every aspect of life.
Okay.
Tine chabe nasigenyu environment you cannot tell.
Reverend arho omurebi witota kamanyire program yo kushendekereza ogwo muntu eyemerire so turabire mukace program eji kugira ngo bundi omuntu ori munakureba abase kwetegereza ebyo bintu ko bikuza kutwaza.
Enguto zone za kubani zireba Kanungu ahago kubanza. I think most of the offices, most of the activities tizikuza kubaho ahago kubanza. Ahakwa it will be civil officially. So yesterday abirenchiko habaho no kushaba omuri Kampala kwembe Reverend Agaba Andrew no mwahure woburezi bwa Kinshisi nakorera province. Then Elizoba nibaza kugira official vigil omakage omulimbuya in Kampala omumwebazo. Lero nyensakero mukasheshe shaha ishatu nyaza kubaho okushaba no kumwijuka aha All Saints Church, All Saints Cathedral na Kaseru in Kampala ashaha ishatu. Then service yaiza kuwa the body will be brought here in Lujeyo. Nibaza kuija kandi omwebazo tugireho okushaba konka official vigil nebaho ogwa mukaga. Agwa mukaga nibwo ari kubaho official vigil. Then Sunday hariho another official vigil. Chaplaning na Kanungu local government okugira ngo habeho special sitting ya council. Kandi ya council it will attract all councils in Western Uganda.
So they will impacted by the lake.
Yes, because iwe no basakta byetegereza konka tihine district yeta kwasiro right from Bunyoro za Bunyoro the Kasese people Bushenya Chamuhunge byakoze ni mu bimanya Mbarara South Ankole here Nitungamo go to Kabale go to Rubanda go to Ruchiga go to Kisoro Kanungu tokaga.
So nutubasa ku summarizing atujengo he has been a regional icon.
Not only region, maybe East Africa. When you are talking in terms of region, you look at East Africa, because he has impacted many people from Tanzania, from Kenya. So it's not only Western region here, but entire country and beyond. And the council, we are still working out with Honorable Fala Byaruhanga, the district speaker here, that they can have a special session here, which will help us to talk more about him.
Okay. Reverend we bari munonga kugambaho nitwe kandi hariho n'undi jo mukuru nawe ogwakozere nawe munonga umugenzi twenda nawe abase kutugambira nibiki ebyari kwijuka aha mugenzi ogu kandi ecyakuza ecyo murebe witu ashemerire kumanya iwe nkomwe abakozere nawe no mwijuka hoki ecyenyini tugambireho
wewe amazina tukamushaba Julius kandi nanabagambire nti nkozere nawe myaka ubwo no gwa 24 echango cyo kubanza kindi kumwijukiraho ko natandikire nawe kuri mirimo nabasa kubona ho sente zo kugura amataka nabonaho ka school fees kabana abanje umwe nkiremwa anyongera nsupportinga namwegaho kuri by'intunguka kandi namwegaho kumanya ngo umuntu ashemere kushisha bwiri ninge shaha webire nabari mushaha nango bwire bwabe nabari kunuya let's say kwabire nakira kwija ninyoni yayika kiri ninyo umuntu be naza kumuvugana kwabire nagamba ati hiko shayibiri necicweka nimpo shayibiri nenda kika 20 abo kuba eshaha neshaha kandi kinde kinamwegereho wakora na appointment ya shayibiri okija shayibiri nenda chike emwe naba yagira mu bindi nakuhereza urundi runako mbwe nikabanza namugwe ikintu cyo kutashisha bwire kandi ikintu cyo gukora munonga ekinde kinamwegireho nikamwegereho ikintu cyo kugira ngo ishemerire nanye kugira abona yamba abo kwari umuntu uri kuyamba abantu uko wamuhikaho eiza urweire nwenda school fees z'abana okibo ryo mu mbera zona ruyale ako counselinga orugaho gizereki otereye
so mbwenu omubugufu nibye nimanyane bingi konka omubugufu ebyo nibyo bikore byo kumwisha
ekindi kumwijukiraho akatuletere ebyentunguka ekukira munonga amajani kuyaletse n'amajani muri kanungu abantu bona bashemererwa no biratahingire amajani abayiro batagahingire bazakora ya kasete bahera abana babo bayombeka amakagabo bagura amataka go kurebera families zabo bagura amamotoka abantu nangwe n'ikindi abire na supporting abantu wabire na yenda ngo umuntu yagira uko yagira mu kakasete azo munju nungi aryeje atambuleje ahera abana babo we yaba ryo muntu waruhanga mbwene kanshi twarire
we bari munonga sebo antwenda kubusima na wogwe wabasa kugamba aha mugenzi Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga omurebe witu wa Tayari West nyana kumanyisa ngo turi mu district eje ya Kanungu kandi ntija kugumizamu turi kugamba n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe of course turi kwisi aho n'entebe kanisa zone kuziri kubasa kushendekereza omugenzi Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga obasize kuba naruga omagaragense ndi job namanya apuli aha district ya Kanungu kankugarize studios ogumizemu n'amakuru agariyana gagendo mbesho.